It's life, right? You need it. You got to have it. And I love the water we've got. Even the lake water here, right? It's great. We got more water than anybody in the world, so I guess we take it for granted.
We're very fortunate to have clean water. A lot of lakes that I'm sure over the next 50 to 100 years are going to be critical to the whole world.
Oh, I think it's huge. If you've traveled anywhere, you realize that that's something we probably take for granted, for sure. So much of the world just doesn't have clean water, let alone drinkable water.
Do some research and then probably do something about it. It pretty much means living, essentially.
And obviously, there's the assumption you're going to have water, it's going to be clean water. Obviously, that's not the case everywhere. It's not going to be our problem. I'll probably still have clean water for my days, but I got kids, I got grandkids, and they are going to have problems.